If you're a fan of good straight-ahead rock music with groove, check out the band Dirty Honey. Today we're going to be working on their latest single, California Dreamin. We're going to do all the parts up until the vocals start. And hopefully I'll get it as close as I can to the record so you can learn to play it just like the record. And welcome to Music with Marky. So this tune's played on a guitar that's tuned 1/2 step flat, which was a very common thing back in the 70s and 80s, so they call it an E-flat tuned guitar. And so when I say the song is in E major, it's as to the tuning of the guitar, it's really E-flat major. And I watched the making of video of this just to watch where he was positioning his hands and whatnot and make sure I was playing it true to what they did on the record. And let's start with it. There's basically two little pieces of the intro, an open chord kind of piece, and then the riff, which later becomes the chorus. The open chord part starts over here on what would be like a D major chord that you played all the way up in the 9th fret, which makes it an A. And you're going to have just those two notes, the E, the 9th fret, and the 10th fret, the A, and then utilize the open E as well. And I'm including full tabs for this as a PDF, and it'll be in the description below. So you're going to move from that chord, move your pinky into the 9th, and then lift your pinky off and go to the 7th fret on the B string. And then you'll be sliding back just to unison E notes to start with. So it's... Then you slide back. And then you're going to play this dyad here, a B major dyad, with just those two notes and then the open strings. So that's picked on the D string, the 9th fret, 8th fret. Then you go up to the E string, open B string, and back to that B an octave lower. And then just pluck the A dyad, the A major, which is the 7th and the 6th fret. And then it repeats. Then it kicks in and goes to the riff part, which is the next section of it. And this is going to utilize a little bit of chromatic movement to kind of add a bit of a minor and major feel to it. And it starts on the open E string with the open fret and then 3rd and 4th. So it's... And then you play an octave E and then come back up for an upstroke on it. And give it a real quick stop like that. Then you start over on the open E string. And now you play the D string, or excuse me, the A string, the D note on the A string. Give it a little bit of a vibrato, go back to the C sharp, and then pull off 5th, 4th, and then the A, the 5th on the E string. So the both of them together as the first half of it. Now he's going to repeat that first piece of it again. And the open E string again. And now instead of playing the D, he's going to do two basic pick scratches. And then a D chord and an A chord. So together. And now he repeats the whole thing. And instead of D, A, it's D, and then the C sharp note, 4th fret, A string, leading to the verse, which is an A. So that's all the parts up until the vocals come in on what I think is a really fun song. I hope you enjoy playing it and that the way I presented the lesson makes sense to you. If you have any tunes or riffs, things that you want to see me do in the riff of the month and play it like the record type of things that you're struggling with, let me know in the comments below and I'll get to work transcribing them and getting videos done for them. And until next time, guys, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.